Hello everyone, welcome back to the last part of the lamp animation. We are looking at how to create a lamp jump animation like this in After Effects using Duik Bassel Plugin. So we have so far created the first part of the animation. So we can see that the camera is zooming in and then the character jumps. This is our project here. Okay, so what we are going to do is look at the first part. I think things are moving quite fast here. So what we want to show is that the lamp, once we stop here, the lamp comes to life and then it jumps. So we will this is where the camera pans and stops. Okay, so we will give it 3 seconds, one more second before the lamp starts moving. Okay, so we'll go to a 3-second mark, select all these keyframes and drag it to the 1 second mark. All right, so that is the first change. And then the lamp looks up and then it stays there for another second. Okay, so we will go to 412 or we can go to 4. And we will select these keys. Actually, we want to move. So the lamp looks up and from here we need 1 second. So 312 to 412. $4.18. Select these keys. And move it here. Okay. So let us play this. So it fades in, pans, The lamp is there, comes to life, goes down and then jumps. So we'll see it is rendering right now, so we'll see it again how it looks. Pans, the lamp comes to life, and then it jumps. Okay, so now what we will do is we will animate our background to react to the jump. So we will go to where the lamp starts jumping, which is here, and we'll add a keyframe for the position for our background. And then when the lamp is in the air, we need to move the background down. Then when it jumps, we will copy paste the keyframe. Okay, so we are now reacting to the lamp jump. Now the lamp looks down, so we'll go back to this key, add a key there, go to next frame, and when it looks down, so we want to show what is down. So we'll move the camera up, okay, and then it is looking this way, then it is looking that way, more that way, and it comes back. So key is there. Okay, then when the lamp is in air, we'll again move, select the background is selected, we'll move, create more space, and then reveal the top part. Then these keys we will delete now, so that we can further label the bottom. Go to the previous frame. Okay, so let us now preview the whole camera animation that we did. First we will render it, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now it's rendering. So here after, it is going to take some time for you guys to look at what is working, what is not working. So polishing, you can spend as much time as you want until you are satisfied with the final look of the animation. Okay, so this is like an action scene where the lamp is flipping and jumping. So this is the actual live footage. Now let us reveal the entire screen so we can see Okay, so it fades in, pans, lamp comes to life, jumps, looks around, and flips. Okay, so the next thing we will do is turn on the motion blur and then turn on motion blur for all the lamp elements. Okay, we'll unhide this so that other elements of lamp are visible. Okay, so it's going to render one more time, bring in that motion blur. So you can see that there's a motion blur onto the scene and things will smooth out more. It's going to take some time to render. See the look. Okay, so it's taking long time to render, so we'll just see the basic effect. So there's a pan, lamp comes to light, jumps, looks around, and then I will just add the end part here because we want the entire text to be visible. So we need to zoom in the time here. Go to frame number 13 seconds and we'll animate the background. We want the text to be visible. So that keyframe is created and it should start moving. So we'll have to Control C this and Control V here. Or let us not have this one. So as the we'll turn the motion blur off so things speed up. It's better to have that key. And we want the lamp to look at the text. So we'll bring this and rotation for the lamp. Okay, so that's about it. There will be of course some more fixing to do and then we can show this till 14 and then it can end there. Okay, I'll save this scene, turn motion blur on and make this resolution maybe a quarter, so hopefully it will speed up. Okay, you can see it's moving much faster now. A lot of keys can be smoothed out using the graph editor. There's a lot of work that can go in, but we just don't have enough time to go over all the small nitty-gritties. But I wanted you guys to show how to animate the lamp flipping and also how to animate the background along with the lamp. Okay, so it zooms in, lamp comes to life, makes its first jump, camera is moving along it, it's looking around, flipping around and looking. Okay, so things move a little faster here, so this can be slowed down, but you get the idea. So we'll go to File, Export, Add to Media Encoder and render the movie for 14 seconds. So it will take some time for the movie to pop up here. There it is, and then we'll decide where we want to save the movie, which would be go to desktop. This is where I save my work. Lamp, flip, render button. And we are saving it as a MP4 file with H.264 compressor. Saying connecting to dynamic link server, and now it's rendering. So that's about it. This month's competition is also lamp animation, so you can follow my tutorials and submit your application for the monthly competition. You can visit freelancer.com, and I will also put a link below so that you can visit the competition page and submit your applications there.